Let's learn how to lock and hide WhatsApp chats. If you want to lock and hide some chats but don't know how, you don't need to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the WhatsApp application. When you open WhatsApp, you will be on the Updates page, but you need to go to the page where your chats are located. This page opens when you click on the Chats option at the bottom right. When this page opens, find the chat you want to lock. When you've found it, hold your finger on it and a menu with several options will appear. From these options, you need to click on the Lock Chat option. Once you've clicked on this option, you will see the Lock Chats option at the top of that page. When you click on it, the chat you locked will be there. On that page, you need to click on the Settings option located in the upper right corner. When you click on it, a page with two options will open, and you need to click on Secret Code. When you click on it, enter the code you want and then click on Next in the upper right corner. Then another page will open where you need to enter the code again, and after entering it, click on the Done option in the upper right corner. Once you've done that, it will take you back to the Settings page, and on that page you need to enable the first option, Hide Locked Chats. When you enable it, a page will open where you need to click on Use My Secret Code. When you click on it, a page will open where you need to enter your code and click on the Done option in the upper right corner. And that's it. Now when you go back to the page where your chats are, that chat will be gone. But if you want to find it, swipe down with your finger, and you will see the search option. In that search option, you need to enter your secret code, and your locked chats will appear. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.